Ethan, your fever is getting worse.
We need to go to the hospital now.
I don't feel well. Just one cold drink won't hurt. Mom said to eat breakfast first. Don't worry, I'll be fine. Come on, Ethan, this is fun. Ethan, let's go home. Just 5 more minutes. You're soaking wet. I'm okay, Mom. He was playing in the rain. Please take your medicine. I'll be better tomorrow. You don't look okay. Just a little ice cream. No one will know. I feel colder now. Your fever is very high.
We're going to the hospital now.
I feel so weak.
Bring him here quickly. Please help my son.
Ethan, you'll be okay. Tell me, Ethan, what happened yesterday? I played in the rain and ate ice cream. He didn't tell us. Your body needs rest and medicine.
We'll take good care of him.
I learned my lesson. You're getting stronger. This card is for you. Thank you, everyone. I have good news. Is Ethan okay? Can I go home soon? You're healthy enough to go home. Thank you, doctor.
We'll follow all your advice.
Fresh air feels wonderful. Welcome home, Ethan. I'm so happy.
Healthy habits make us strong.
Fresh fruit is a great choice. I'll take better care of myself. Look, it's going to rain again. This time, I'll be careful.
Smart choice, Ethan.
I'll stay dry this time. Great job! Thanks for helping me! Stay warm and stay healthy. That's the right choice. Healthy food helps us recover.
Our family is strong together.
I feel much better now.
Thank you for watching.
Please like and subscribe. See you next time on the English Family Stories. Bye!
Hi everyone. Moral of the story: listen to your parents, take care of your health, and make smart choice every day. Thanks for watching.